Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina and I'm a witchy woman today. Y'all, today we have a Mint Mongoose jewelry subscription. They send you 2 pieces of jewelry each month. Now there are add-on subscriptions you can also get, but the main subscription that has the 2 pieces of jewelry that comes in the metal of your choice, or you can just let her pick what she sends you, is $29.99. Now you can get it as low as $19.99 if you pay by term. And if you commit to more months, you get, deeper discounts, things like that. I also get their t-shirt subscription. I get that for $9.99 a month. If you want to buy a single t-shirt, it is $11.99 a month. They got ring subscriptions, earring subscriptions, all kinds of different mystery subscriptions, and they have a store you can shop from as well. I really love this company. It is a small business, mama-run business. Her name is Helena. She is the mama behind the Mongoose. She used to be a journalist, so she actually writes you up a little thing about, where the inspiration came from for the jewelry, for their theme of the month. You get a great little postcard with a picture on it. Everything is done out of her house. So really sweet, really great company. If you want to try it, I do have 2 links below. One is an affiliate link, which means it would credit me as your sales lady, but the other one is a referral link. Now that's the one you want to use. It will give you $5 off your purchase. So use that link if you want to. It'll still give me credit for a sale, but this way you get something too. And I want y'all to get something out of this if you do decide to subscribe to Mint Mongoose. So let's look inside my bag. Now she's also started doing a lot of things like you get, add-on bonuses each month, and after so long you get different things. You can text her to get free gifts. A lot of interesting stuff going on with Mint Mongoose right now. Every time you have a monthly subscription sent to you or an order, you get points. You can trade those points in for shirts for your subscription, all kinds of different things. A free ring, fun stuff. Let's see. So here is my scratch that will tell me to text a certain number. Magical Mongoose, we love you like she loves that cotton candy. It says 9-month anniversary. I know it's been more than 9 months, but I think we're getting these every month now. Alright, so it comes wrapped like this. Like I said, her and her friends just wrap it right there at her kitchen table. This is what's in here. And here is my shirt. I love these shirts. These are such great wear anywhere everyday shirts. They're so soft. Now make sure you size up. I get a 3X and I'm normally an extra large. So what does it say? Kindness tic-tac-toe. Offer to help. Make a thank you card. Ask someone how their day is going. Compliment someone. Hold the door open for someone, smile at a stranger, perform a good deed, and share with someone. All right, well, I've smiled at some strangers because I've smiled on here. So I got that one. This is my free space. I have actually asked somebody how their day was today. So yay, I have a tic-tac-toe already. That's awesome. That's awesome. Do I get a cookie? Or a new cauldron? Very cute little shirt. I love this. And I love how interactive these shirts are. When I go into somebody's house wearing these shirts, they stop. They want to read my shirt. They want to comment on it, talk to me about it. And for somebody who's trying to get out of their box socially outside of the house, for me, it can be uncomfortable, but it's good for me. Because of my agoraphobia, I'm so scared of crowds and situations, public situations. I know it doesn't come across on the camera, but yeah, man, do I get nervous when I leave the house. So I also want to thank everybody who complimented on my other video where I mentioned my agoraphobia and that I had went out. I think it was my Maurice's video. Thank you so very much for all your kind words about me getting out and going. So here is the picture. It's got the same thing the shirt has on it, the kindness tic-tac-toe. On the back you get a sneak peek of what the jewelry is, and there is her theme and the description. I love the little stamp Mint Mongoose. I think it's adorable. But I want to see what this is. I'm curious about this. Y'all think it's nail polish. It is nail polish. She sent me a gift. Oh my goodness. So this is Sally Henson Complete Salon Manicure. And it is in it's in Guilty Party. Yeah. We just gonna have to see what this looks like. You know me, if I get a nail polish, it was funny, I hardly ever wear nail polish because it comes off of me as fast as I put it on. But I love it. I love it on my toes too. Let's see what this silver color looks like. This would be a great Halloween color. Oh, it's pretty. Look at that, y'all. Is that not lovely? This is fun. You could wear this Halloween. You could wear it New Year's. You could wear it every day. I love that. I love that. That is adorable. She's so sweet. Fan it a bit. All right, it says, what the world needs now is love, sweet love. Our inspiration behind the set. Y'all, I got so much makeup on. My hair is tickling me. This month's set is inspired by the importance of power of kindness in today's world. This month's set is inspired by the importance and power of kindness in this world. Oil and water, they naturally don't mix. In many ways, it seems like people have become oil and water to one another. Isn't that the truth? Friendly conversations with strangers, smiling at someone in the store, or going out of your way for a coworker in many ways has shifted away from the norm. However, this jewelry set is a challenge to change that. Kids say the darndest things, and our 7-year-old daughter especially is often challenging me to be a better human to those around me. She keeps me on my toes, and I love it. She is the constant reminder to me that to go the extra mile for those around me without a second thought, regardless of how well I know them. I was just like her when I was young, but somewhere along the line, life and norms shaped me into something else, something that could use some work in the giving kindness away like its candy department. When you wear this jewelry set, I hope it reminds you that while oil and water don't mix, they do work together in many important ways, and you have the power to make that happen. While you may not perfectly mesh with those around you, you have the opportunity to make a difference using kindness. I hope this jewelry set inspires you to take action and brighten someone's day. They don't have to be giant, profound gestures, but something as simple as holding the door open for someone for a few extra moments, or rushing to help someone when you see they are struggling, or simply asking someone about their day can make all the difference. Love, Helena, the mama behind the mongoose. Her scripture down here for today is Ephesians 4:32. So I'll look that up. I will type it out and put it on your screen. Y'all, I am working on learning more scripture. I finally got John 15:5 down, so yay for that. I had to write it a bunch of times to learn it. I am doing Experiencing God right now, so I will be talking a little more about that because I'm making God more of a day-to-day part of my life, and I want to make it more part of the channel too. So hopefully I will inspire someone to come to God. If you want to know more about that, comment below. I'll be glad to talk to you about it. Anyway, moving on. Let's get to the jewelry. And the candy. Because yes, she puts candy in here for us, y'all. Oh, sorry. We have a Werther's Original. I'm starting to get one of these every time. And it is a magnetic clasp for your necklaces. You just clasp one on each side, and then you have an easier way to put your necklaces on when you're alone. Love that. This is how it comes, by the way. Here's my 2 pieces of jewelry. So this month I got silver, which is actually good. I've been wanting more silver. So it's long and it has a small pendant. At least it's not as small as last month's pendant. I thought it was too small for a long piece of jewelry. I do wish you'd get into bigger pendants for these bigger pieces of jewelry, longer pieces of jewelry, I should say. It does have an extension on it with the little mint mongoose, and this is the, what do you call it, claw foot clasp. So I could extend this out longer, but that's cute. Just ignore the goth jewelry I have on at the moment to match the witchy theme. Be careful when you dump this out, because the little plastic backs are in here separate from the earrings, and you don't want to drop those. All right. See, there they are. See, I love the size of these earrings. I just think this could have been a little larger. But I love the color dimension in there. You can see blues and greens, a little bit of pink. It's kind of got that opal, like seashell look to it. There's a word for those shells, and I can never think of it. It's just funny because I have some of them, some of the shells. So there's the earrings. They're cute. I love them. I like the necklace. I love the shirt. Of course, the candy I will eat. The clasp I will definitely use. And the nail polish, which I've already taken some of it off while opening this, I love. Ooh, I may have to paint my nails now. But I may have to take some of this makeup off. There's a lot of it. So what do y'all think of this month's set? What do you think of today's Halloween costume? You'll probably see a few more. Hopefully I have time to do a few more. I know there's going to be at least one more costume. You know, I always love to do a few because it's the only time of year we get to dress up and have wild makeup. And I just wanted to see if I could pull off green, y'all. Please comment below. Let me know what you think of everything. I'd love it if you give this video a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel. Subscribing to my channel is free, and I very much appreciate it. I'd love it if you also share with your friends. Press that notification bell, and if you want to donate to your creator, that's me. There are 2 different ways to do that now. You can press that super thanks, which is like giving a tip through YouTube, or you can buy me a coffee. There is a link below to do that. If you do either, thank you so very much. Y'all, I hope you have a wonderful day, and God bless.